Hey there, fellow streamers. If you're eager to dive into your favorite Hulu shows and movies on your Roku device, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to get Hulu up and running on your Roku. Whether you're binge watching the latest series or catching up on classics, this setup will have you streaming in no time. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll require a Roku device. That's your streaming player, connected to your TV, a stable internet connection, and an active Hulu subscription. If you don't have Hulu yet, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Okay, let's jump right in. Start by turning on your TV and your Roku device. Once it's booted up, you'll land on the Roku home screen. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Type in Hulu using the on-screen keyboard. When the Hulu app appears in the search results, select it and choose Add Channel. This will download and install the Hulu app directly onto your Roku. After it's installed, go back to your home screen, find the Hulu icon, and select it to launch the app. You'll be prompted to sign in. Grab your phone or computer, log into your Hulu account online, and look for the activation code on your TV screen. Enter that code on the Hulu website to link your account. Once that's done, bam! You're all set. You can now browse Hulu's library, search for shows, and start watching. One quick tip. If you encounter any hiccups, like the app not loading, try restarting your Roku device or checking your internet speed. Also, ensure your Hulu subscription includes the right plan for streaming on devices. There you have it. Watching Hulu on Roku is straightforward and hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy streaming!